Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples of finding rational numbers greater than the given rational numbers, and also we are going to find the number of rational numbers between the given two rational numbers, and we are also going to check whether the given rational number lies between the given two rational numbers, and we are also going to find how many rational numbers are there between given two rational numbers. So the first question is, write 5 rational numbers greater than negative 2. So we know that we can express the negative 2 in the rational form as negative 2 by 1, or its equivalent expression as negative 20 by 10. That's we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. So we'll get minus 20 divided by 10. So now we can easily write the 5 rational numbers which are greater than negative 2, that is equivalent expression of negative 20 by 10. So now I am writing the 5 rational numbers as negative 10 by 10, negative 9 by 10, negative 8 by 10, negative 7 by 10 and negative 6 by 10. So we can take any rational numbers which are greater than negative 20 by 10. So next question is, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Solution. So we know that if you want to find rational numbers in between the given two rational numbers, we want to make the given rational numbers denominator common. We should have same denominator for both the given rational numbers. So here we have 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So they are different. So to make the denominators common, we know that we want to take LCM. So the denominators are 5 and 4. So the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So if you take 20 as the LCM, we'll get the numbers, that is 3 times 4, you will get 12 by 20. And then here also 3 times 5, it's 15 by 20. So between 12 by 20 and 15 by 20, we are get only few rational numbers, right? So what we are going to do is, we want to take the denominator number a little bit a higher number as a common denominator. So now we will find equivalent fraction for those rational number with a higher common denominator. So as we said, we want to take the higher denominator. Now I am considering the denominator as 80. So what we want to do, we want to convert the given rational number 3 by 5 to its equivalent rational number with the denominator as 80. So to make the denominator as 80, we want to multiply this numerator and denominator with 16. So 3 times 16 divided by 5 times 16. So 3 times 16 is 48 and 5 times 16 is 80. So similarly, we want to convert 3 by 4 with a common denominator of 80. So we have to multiply with 20 on the numerator and denominator. So 3 times 20 divided by 4 times 20. 3 times 20 is 60 and 4 times 20 is 80. So we will get 60 by 80. So now the given equivalent rational number is 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. So now we can write the rational numbers in between 48 by 80 and 60 by 80, which is equivalent to the given expression, that is 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Since they have asked 10 rational numbers, so I have written 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51 by 80, 52 by 80, 53 by 80, 54 by 80, 55 by 80, 56 by 80, 57 by 80 and 58 by 80. So we can write any rational numbers that lies between 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. So next question is, find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So they have asked only one rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So since they have asked one number, we are going to find that one number by using either formula method or mean method. So in this, we have taken A as 3 by 4 and B as 4 by 5. So we know that C is the rational number. Let's consider C. So which is the rational number that lies between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So we know that average of these two rational numbers is nothing but A plus B by 2. So we are writing C equal to A plus B by 2. So now A is 3 by 4 plus B is 4 by 5 divided by 2. Now we know that to add two rational numbers, the denominator should be common. So to make the denominator common, we are going to take LCM. So we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with 5 for 3 by 4. So 3 times 5 divided by 4 times 5. And for 4 by 5, we are multiplying with 4 on the numerator and denominator. So we have 4 times 4 divided by 5 times 4. The whole thing is divided by 2. That is, we are taking the average. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 4 times 5 is 20 plus 4 times 4 is 16, then 5 times 4 is 20 divided by 2. Now the denominator 20 is common, so we are taking it out and we are adding the numerator. That is 15 plus 16 divided by 20 divided by 2. So 15 plus 16 is 31 divided by 20 divided by 2. So now this is a division of two rational numbers. So know that to divide the rational numbers, we'll convert the division to multiplication and we'll change the numerator and denominator. So 31 by 20, division is converted to multiplication. Here numerators and denominators are interchanged, so 1 by 2. So 31 divided by 20 times 1 by 2. So now we can multiply the numerator and denominator separately. So 31 times 1 divided by 2 times 20. 31 times 1 is 31 divided by 2 times 20 is 40. So 31 by 40 is the rational number which lies between the given rational number 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So if they have asked you to find only one rational number, you can follow this mean method or formula method by taking the average of the given two rational numbers. So next question is, check whether negative 1 by 10 lies between negative 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. So solution. So we know that if you want to check this number lies between the two rational numbers, first step always we want to make the denominator common. So to make the denominator common, we want to take LCM. So the given rational number is minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. So the denominator is 5 and 2. So we are going to take the LCM of 5 and 2, which is 10. So now the denominator is 10. So we want to convert the given rational number to a common denominator of 10. So negative 3 by 5, we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So negative 3 times 2 divided by 5 times 2, that is negative 6 divided by 10. So to change 1 by 2, we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. So 1 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. So it's 5 by 10. So now the expression, that is minus 6 by 10 and 5 by 10 are same as negative 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. So now we can write all the rational numbers which lie between negative 6 by 10 and 5 by 10. So it's minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, plus 2 by 10, plus 3 by 10 and plus 4 by 10. So our given question is negative 1 by 10. So we found that negative 1 by 10 lies between these two rational numbers. So we can say that negative 1 by 10 lies between negative 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Next question is, how many rational numbers are there between 1 and 5? So we can express the given rational number 1 as 1 by 1 and 5 as 5 by 1. So now we are going to express the numbers, rational numbers between 1 by 1 and 5 by 1. So we know that 2 by 1, 3 by 1 and 4 by 1 are the rational numbers that lie between 1 by 1 and 5 by 1. But we know that we can also express 1 by 1 as an equivalent of 1 by 10 by 10, 20 by 10 and so on, and also the 5 by 1 as 50 by 10 and 100 by 20 and so on. Like this we can express. So now we can write the rational numbers between 10 by 10 and 50 by 10, which is equivalent as 1 and 5, and also we can write it as 20 by 20 and 100 by 20, so which is also equivalent to 1 and 5. So if you go like this, we can keep on adding the rational numbers like this with equivalent fractions. So we'll get infinitely large number of numbers in between the given two rational numbers. Hope you have understood all the questions very well. Thank you for watching the video.